Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to nail that brown smoky eye every single time with a simple, easy trick. And you can wear this every day. It's an everyday, simple brown smoky eye that I wear every day. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. First things first, and this is probably the most important step. We all know that we need a primer to prime our lids before we use any eyeshadows to make the eyeshadows pop. And we usually use a light color concealer or a primer to, just make the eyeshadows more visible. But not today. Today I'm using a concealer that's 3 shades deeper than my skin tone. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. This is their new one in Dark 175N. Now what this does is it sets a brown base for your brown smoky eye, which means 90% of your job is done. Now we usually set our concealers with a powder to prevent it from creasing, right? Today I'm going to set this with a brown eyeshadow, and the one that I'll be using is from the Carotene Nudes and Roots palette. I'm taking Nell with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to lightly pat it and extend it slightly above my crease. You can use any brown eyeshadow that's easily available or that you have. You can literally apply a mascara at this point and call it done. I've done that so many times when I'm running late. I have a little bit extra time today, so I'm going to deepen the outer corner using Mittens. I'm taking it with a small blending brush, and I'm just going to buff it in the outer edge, and then with a small definer brush from Coastal Scents, I'm also going to use it in my lower lash line. The quickest and easiest way to pull out a soft wing is to use an eyeshadow. So with the same definer brush, I'm taking Lilo and I'm going to pull out a soft wing and connect it with my lower lash line, and that gives that extended cat-eyed look. Because I'm going for a more softer, everyday brown smoky eye kind of a look, I'm going to be using a nude eye pencil in my waterline. This is from Rimmel. But if you want to switch from morning to evening, all you have to do is literally get a black eye pencil and use it in your waterline. Just wipe off the nude and apply the black, and then it looks a little bit more intense and ready for the evening party. That's pretty much it, you guys. You can just apply some mascara and call it done. But like I said, I have some extra time today, so I'm going to apply some mascara and some lashes. For mascara, I'm using Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm using the new foaming lashes from Carotene. This is Cosette. And here's the completed look. Isn't this literally the easiest brown smoky eye? Comment below and let me know. And if you plan to recreate this, don't forget to tag me. All my socials are listed in the description box below, along with all the products that I used in today's tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.